The lesson will be about the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution took place between 1780s and the 1830s, roughly. It was a time of great changes and great contrasts which transformed the British society. First contrast was economic. As you can see, the picture represents the Crystal Palace where the Great Exhibition took place. The Great Exhibition was meant to show how Britain was economically and industrially far more advanced than any other countries in the world. But the downside of this economic wealth was that an extreme poverty was spreading inside the cities. Even child labor was encouraged, like what we can see in this picture with the young boy. Boys were used for sweeping chimneys because others did not fit and thus could not clean them. The second contrast was between cities and the countryside. On the one hand, urbanization of the cities grew very quickly and very impressive buildings were built, like we can see in this picture representing Liverpool train station, which is called Lime Street. But on the other hand, the countryside remained quite untouched by the technological progress of the cities, and thus the countryside remained very rural, as you can see in this picture. A lot of other issues were at stake during the Industrial Revolution. Here are the main ones, although the list is not an exhaustive one. Scientific progress led the way to industrialization and urbanization, but these were not the only key issues, as new philosophical theories emerged. Colonization was growing bigger and bigger, and many social movements were born from this period. Each of these new perspectives opened the way for different interpretations, as you can see here. You have for new philosophical theories, you have Marx, Darwin's or Bentham's one, and many others. And those gave birth to other movements, like for Marx, you can see the class struggle, or Darwin, the evolution theory. But in the end, although these notions seem very independent to one another, they are all actually interconnected. Thank you for listening.